Hello everybody, welcome back for another unboxing video. I'm not actually sure what this one is, but you should already know it from the title of the video. For me it's a mystery, but I'm hoping it has the Legion Praevian, or however you pronounce that shit. And maybe even a contemptor arms. Spaghetti keeps on forgetting. Okay, let's see. Alright, so we have what looks to be a contemptor pattern assault claw. Okay, it says claw, but it's just a regular fist from. Oh no, it has. Huh. Okay. That's odd. Okay, sure. So the claw, because I remember I'm fairly certain I ordered the fist. Oh well, doesn't matter. Works for me. Then we have the Contemptor pattern missile pod. So this is the launcher to go on top of the shoulder pads. I will do a proper unboxing for these later when the rest of the arms arrive on their own container boxes. And this is here what the unboxing is about. The Space Marine Legion Praevian. And this right here is the last piece that I needed for my, what do you call it, custom Warsmith. I'm gonna be stealing his backpack and his left arm. Nope, that's his right arm. Yes, stealing that arm with the thing he imagines on his, unless the shoulder pad, from what I saw earlier, I think they both were separate. Either way, let's just open him up and see what we got here. Let's see. I think they have made it this little tab here just for to open up these things, and then it gets into the sharp point where you can just make a salad out of your fingers. So we are just gonna go straight through that one. Not gonna be collecting this stuff or anything. It's going straight into the bath for all I care. So we got the base, not going to be using that. We got a Mark IV or the Heresy pattern shoulder pad, and yeah, to be honest, it doesn't look that impressive. I don't really like Mark IV actually that much, so yeah, but at least they still look better than the Mark IIIs that I ordered from them. Then we got the body itself. One of the lamps above me is making noise. Let's hope it doesn't burn out. Nice to have the pegs, so you can't misalign the thing. Let me have a closer look. Some residue on it, but the quality is pretty good on him. He's actually way bigger than I expected. Now for the backpack. Little bent there, nothing nothing that I can't fix. And I am planning, excuse me, the lamp. So gonna be stealing this backpack for my custom Warsmith. And the quality looks just nice. I probably will slap a magnet somewhere here, so I can just swap it out for a regular backpack. In case I glue in the attachments, we will see how that process goes. Then we got the cyberdongs. One is already loose. For the skulls, I'm gonna be using these. I'm gonna be ditching the skulls. And then, well, okay, I was gonna say, wow, this guy gets quite a few head options, but no, he just gets the two. Really cool helmet, actually, but I'm not gonna be using it, at least for this guy. Not gonna be using these skulls either. Okay, maybe one of them. Some resin left over. No, whatever. The residue left over. Yes, yes. Not too shabby. Trying to look through this through the phone screen instead of the real life. Okay, then we got a pointy arm. Oh, this could have been handy for the guys that are in the Rhino. The Commander Rhino. If you have seen my Instagram pics, I made the guys do like a thingy. And then this arm with the button, I'll be stealing for the Warsmith. So he has a thing to control the stuff in his back with. I don't know. That seems like something that he should have. Then we got some attachments for the backpack, I presume, amongst the other things. I wonder, are these the Cortex Controllers, or I have no idea what these actually. Oh, hey, you know what? I probably could have checked. What are they? Number 15, control units. So yeah, they are presumably. So you attach this to the unit that you're controlling. So I'm guessing, because I don't see any on the model itself. Unless the control units are in his backpack. But yeah. Interesting, interesting. Well, actually, you know, this looks like kind of a... You could make this like a time bombs or anything. Let me have a look on that backpack. Yeah, I don't think these things go anywhere in here. Well, anyway, we have another mecha dendrite from the looks of it. Or maybe this is the one that attaches to his arm and the backpack. Oh no, this is the smaller skull that's on his shoulder. That's for that one, the silver skull or whatever it is. And then we have a holstered bolt pistol with a belt of grenades along with it. Oh, handy. I might use this for my Warsmith too, so nice. So that's what's included in the... Let's put the picture back together. Space Marine Legion Praevian, and this is all you're gonna see from me, because, like I said, gonna be stealing some of these parts for my custom Warsmith, so look forward for that. I can finally begin it now that I have all the pieces. I shouldn't make that in rubble. I might need this stuff. So, see you on the next one.